You've heard the buzz: Bitcoin, Ethereum, wild price swings, endless headlines. But beyond the hype, blockchain technology is quietly solving real problems. Faster money transfers, lower costs, more transparency, and access for millions. This video isn't about speculation. It's about real-world crypto applications making a difference right now. We'll explore 8 areas where blockchain is moving from buzzword to practical tool, from remittances to food safety, from digital identity to creator payments. These are the stories that matter. Whether you're a skeptic or just crypto curious, stick around. You might be surprised by what's happening beneath the surface. This is crypto's real-world magic beyond the hype. If you want to stay ahead in the world of crypto and finance, don't forget to subscribe to the In Welth YouTube channel for more insights and real-world stories. Sending money across borders shouldn't be so hard or expensive. Traditional services like banks and Western Union charge high fees, offer poor exchange rates, and take days to deliver funds. For families relying on remittances, these costs are a real burden. Crypto changes the game. Projects like Ripple and stablecoins like USDC let you send money globally in minutes, not days, for a fraction of the cost. Here's how it works. Convert your cash to a stablecoin, send it to a digital wallet, and the recipient cashes out locally, often for less than $1 in fees. No banking hours, no middlemen, and transactions are transparent on a public ledger. This isn't theory. Crypto-powered remittances are already helping people in Latin America, Southeast Asia, and beyond. New wallet apps and exchanges are making it easy for anyone to use. No crypto expertise required. The result? More money reaches families, faster and cheaper than ever before. Blockchain is quietly replacing outdated money transfer systems with something better. It's a clear, practical win for millions worldwide. And it's just the beginning. The future of cross-border payments is digital, instant, and open to all. Crypto is making that future real, today. No more waiting, no more excessive fees. Just fast, affordable global money movement. That's blockchain in action. What if you could access loans, earn interest, or trade assets without a bank? That's the promise of decentralized finance, or DeFi. DeFi platforms like Aave and Compound connect lenders and borrowers directly using smart contracts, code that runs on the blockchain, not in a bank vault. Anyone can deposit crypto and earn interest or borrow by putting up collateral. Interest rates adjust automatically based on supply and demand, and everything is transparent and open source. Decentralized exchanges like Uniswap let you trade assets peer-to-peer, using liquidity pools provided by regular users. No paperwork, no approval process, no gatekeepers, just code. DeFi opens up sophisticated financial tools to anyone with a smartphone and internet. The rules are the same for everyone, and the system runs 24/7. Of course, there are risks, bugs, hacks, and a steep learning curve. But the core idea is powerful. A global, open, permissionless financial system. Billions of dollars are already flowing through DeFi, and it's evolving fast. It's a radical shift from trusting institutions to trusting code. For many, it's the first real alternative to traditional banking. DeFi is more than a buzzword. It's a working experiment in financial freedom. And it's happening right now. The future of finance is being built in the open by anyone, for everyone. That's the DeFi revolution. No bank required, just you, your wallet, and the blockchain. Ever wonder where your coffee phone or medicine really comes from? Supply chains are complex and often opaque, making it hard to trace products or spot counterfeits. Blockchain brings transparency. Every step, from farm to factory to store, can be recorded on a shared, tamper-proof ledger. Companies like IBM Food Trust and VeChain are already tracking food, wine, and luxury goods this way. Scan a code and you see the product's full journey. Harvest date, shipping, even the vineyard or farm. If there's a recall, only affected batches are pulled, not everything. This combats fraud, improves safety, and builds trust. It's not just for food. Think electronics, medicines, even airplane parts. Blockchain creates a single source of truth for everyone in the supply chain. No more relying on labels or paperwork, just verifiable data. Consumers get confidence and businesses get accountability. The result? Safer products, fewer fakes, and faster recalls. Blockchain is making supply chains smarter and more transparent. It's a quiet revolution in how we trust what we buy, and it's already here. Online content is everywhere, but paying creators is broken. Ads clutter the web and subscriptions add up fast. Micropayments, tiny direct payments to creators, could fix this, but traditional fees make them impossible. Crypto changes that. The Brave browser uses its basic attention token, BAT, to reward users for viewing ads and lets them tip creators instantly. No middlemen, no intrusive ads, just direct support. The Lightning Network, built on Bitcoin, enables instant, near-free payments, perfect for tipping a few cents for an article or podcast. Platforms are already using this tech to let fans pay creators directly, one click at a time. It's a new model. Pay for what you value, when you want, without ads or subscriptions. Creators get paid fairly, and users get a cleaner, more rewarding web. Crypto micropayments are making the internet more open and creator-friendly. It's a small change with big potential. Imagine a web where value flows directly from audience to artist. That's the promise of blockchain-powered micropayments. The tools exist, and they're growing fast. The future of content is direct, simple, and powered by crypto. Your digital identity is scattered across dozens of logins controlled by big companies. Data breaches and privacy risks are everywhere. Blockchain offers a new model self-sovereign identity. You control your credentials in a secure digital wallet. No more handing over sensitive info to every website. Projects like Civic and Self-Key let you verify your identity once, then share only what's needed, like proving you're over 18, without revealing everything. Selective disclosure means you keep your privacy and security. No more oversharing, no more massive data leaks. Companies don't store your info, you hold the keys. This streamlines logins, job applications, and more, while reducing identity theft. It's a fundamental shift. You own your digital self. Blockchain puts you in control, not corporations. The future of identity is private, secure, and user-owned. And it's starting now. NFTs, non-fungible tokens, are more than just digital collectibles. They solve a real problem proving ownership of digital assets. In the physical world, you have deeds and receipts. Online, it's murky. NFTs act as digital certificates of authenticity and ownership recorded on the blockchain. Artists can sell unique digital works and even earn royalties every time their NFT is resold. Gamers can truly own in-game items and trade them freely. The entire ownership history is public and unchangeable. It's not just about art. NFTs can represent music, tickets, property deeds, and more. This technology empowers creators and gives buyers confidence. It's a new way to own, trade, and prove authenticity in a digital world. The hype may come and go, but the core idea is powerful. NFTs are building a foundation for verifiable digital ownership. The internet is becoming a place where you can truly own things. That's a big deal. Over 1 billion adults worldwide are unbanked. No accounts, no credit, no access. Crypto and smartphones are changing that. Anyone with a phone and internet can download a wallet app and join the global financial system. No paperwork, no minimums, no gatekeepers. You control your money, not a bank. Stablecoins like USDC let people in unstable economies protect their savings from inflation. In places like Argentina and Venezuela, people are already using crypto to preserve wealth and make payments. Peer-to-peer marketplaces let users trade local currency for stablecoins, bypassing broken banking systems. It's financial inclusion, powered by technology. Crypto gives the unbanked a way to save, earn, and participate in the global economy. No permission needed, just a phone and a connection. This isn't a future dream, it's happening now. Blockchain is breaking down barriers to financial access, and it's just getting started. Donating to charity should be simple and transparent, but often it's not. Blockchain brings radical transparency to giving. Every donation is recorded on a public ledger, so you can track your money from start to finish. Organizations like UNICEF, Crypto Fund, and Give Directly use crypto to send aid directly to those in need, cutting out middlemen and reducing fees. Funds arrive faster, with less loss to overhead. In disaster relief, speed and transparency save lives. Donors can verify impact, not just trust annual reports. Blockchain rebuilds trust in charity by making every transaction visible. More accountability means more effective giving. Your donation goes further, and you can see the proof. That's the power of transparent blockchain-based aid. Beyond the headlines, blockchain is quietly solving real problems today. From payments and DeFi to supply chains and digital identity, These tools are making systems more efficient, transparent, and accessible. The real revolution isn't in speculation, but in utility. Blockchain's value grows as it empowers people, creators, and communities. The technology is young, but its impact is real and growing. Developers and entrepreneurs are building a more open, equitable digital future. That's the story worth following. Thanks for watching.